Okay, we are going to the beach now. It's a beautiful day.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Most beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah, last week because she flew out on
It's busy. It's Saturday. So we're crossing the dune right
guys.
now. Hello.
Alright,
This is
Farley
Pat.
Beach.
Yes. This is Miss Angelina. Yes. Scotty's up front, leading the band. And then Lorenzo with the blue t-shirt. Oh, and the beach, the ocean. The ocean. Oh, look! Look at that. It was not like that. What's that?
I know. Maybe it was that.
Well, the sand.
Low tide.
Random strangers.
Low tide.
It's nice because
Wow,
those pools are warm.
Well, yeah. I love
Oh
it.
my god, it's busy.
It's alright. Oh, look at all the people. It's summer in New Brunswick. Look at Big Lolita. Over there. Look, look, why to see her face? No, but you have to see her face.
Yeah, so would I. Probably
Look.
to the right.
A Big Lolita. Wow. Nice, 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 nice.